actually to our instructor, Mamelju and Bidizan. I am Irene B. Mailan, BSA student, major in agronomy. For today's video, I'm going to answer the performance task and lesson 5 by answering the following questions. Number 1 is, what is the role of photosynthesis in plants? So my answer is, the role of photosynthesis in plants is vital because this gives the plants their own food, which means to process green plants and to create energy using carbon dioxide and water. Plants are autotrophs, which means they produce their own food. To use the process of photosynthesis to transform in water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide into oxygen and simple sugars that the plant uses as a fuel. So plants don't eat food, so they have to create it for themselves. They do this through a process known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis uses water to carbon dioxide from the air and energy from the sun or another light source to create glucose or sugar. This glucose provides the energy to the plant needs in order to survive. Question number 2. Describe the structure of a chlorophyll. Answer is, the structure of chlorophyll is to consist of a central magnesium atom surrounded by the nitrogen containing structure called a propylene ring. Attached to the ring is a long carbohydrogen side of a chain known as ptyl chain. Variations are due to minor modifications of certain side groups. Chlorophyll molecules are arranged in and around photosystems that are embedded in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplast. To the function of the reaction center of chlorophyll is to absorb light energy and transfer it to other parts of the photosystem. Number 3. Cite the importance of the chlorophyll. So, my answer is, the importance of chlorophyll is in plant is in order for the plants to have their green color, and it helps plants create their own food through photosynthesis. Number 4. Discuss the difference between chlorophyll and difference between chlorophyll. A and B both are involved in the process photosynthesis. So, the main difference between chlorophyll A and B is their role in the photosynthesis. Chlorophyll A is the principal pigment involved in the photosynthesis, whereas chlorophyll B is the accessory pigment collecting the energy in order to pass into chlorophyll A. So the chlorophyll A absorbs yellow light, and chlorophyll B, it is absorbs green. So the chlorophyll B is to absorb green. So that is the color. Number 5. Discuss the role of porphyrin ring in plants. My answer is, the porphyrin ring serves an important function. The nitrogen molecule at the center of the ring are capable of hosting an iron molecule. It is this porphyrin structure holding iron which gives a blood its red color. So they are the active center in hemoglobin. And chlorophyll, they are also part of the cytochrome P450 enzyme system that are not only present in the liver of higher organisms but also in microbial organisms. Number 6. Describe how light is absorbed by leaves. So my answer is, the light absorbed leaves in most plants. The leaves are the main food factories, so they capture the sun's energy with the help of chlorophyll in the leaf cells. So the chlorophyll traps and package the energy from the light of the sun in a process called photosynthesis. Leaves usually have a large surface so they can collect the most sunlight. Most plants contain a special colored chemical or pigment, so called chlorophyll, that is used in photosynthesis. So chlorophyll is what absorbs the sun's energy and it turns it into chemical energy. Chlorophyll usually absorbs red and blue light from the sun and reflects green light. Number 7. What is the role of thylakoid in photosynthesis? So my answer is, thylakoid is a shape-like membrane bound structure that is the site of the light-dependent photosynthesis reactions in chloroplast and cyanobacteria. It is the site that contains the chlorophyll used to absorb light and use it for biochemical reactions. Thylakoids are the internal membranes of chloroplast and also cyanobacteria, and it is provide the platform for the light reactions of photosynthesis. Thylakoid is the site of photosynthesis to photochemical or light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis. So chlorophyll, it is present in the thylakoid membrane to absorb energy from the sunlight, and it is involved in the formation of ATP and NADPH in the light reactions of photosynthesis through electron transport chains. That's all, and once again, good day everyone, and always stay safe. Thank you.